Welcome. This video is for educational purposes. Take every medicine as your doctor or pharmacist prescribes it. Today we will talk about Azeloc medicine. Azeloc tablets are USP specs. It is used for infections. Package contains. Each package contains Azeloc tablets of 500 mg, also available as 250 mg. It is also available as Azeloc capsules. 250 mg is available in a blister pack of 6s. Azeloc as syrup is available as powder for suspension. 200 mg, 5 ml is available in a pack of 15 ml when reconstituted. Composition. Each film-coated tablet contains azithromycin dihydrate equal to azithromycin. USP specs. Dosage as directed by the physician. See package insert for full prescribing information. Azeloc tablets and oral suspension can be taken with or without food. The usual adult dose is 500 mg as a single dose daily for 3 days. Alternatively, an initial dose of 500 mg may be followed by 250 mg daily for a further 4 days. Uses and therapeutic indications. It is indicated for the treatment of patients with mild to moderate infections caused by susceptible strains of the designated microorganism. Specific conditions listed below: lower respiratory tract infections, acute bacterial bronchitis, and community-acquired pneumonia in patients suitable for outpatient oral treatment and in patients who require initial intravenous therapy. Upper respiratory tract infections, acute sinusitis, acute streptococcal pharyngitis, tonsillitis, and acute otitis media in children. Uncomplicated skin and skin structure infections. Sexually transmitted diseases, uncomplicated urethritis and cervicitis. Antimicrobial agents used in high doses for short periods of times to treat non-gonococcal urethritis may mask or delay the symptoms of incubating gonorrhea or syphilis. All patients with sexually transmitted urethritis or cervicitis should have a serologic test for syphilis and appropriate cultures for gonorrhea performed at the time of diagnosis. Appropriate antimicrobial therapy and follow-up tests for these diseases should be initiated if infection is confirmed. Pelvic inflammatory disease in patients who require initial intravenous therapy. Chlamydia trachomatis, conjunctivitis, and trachoma in adults and in children 12 months or older. Prophylaxis and treatment of disseminated Mycobacterium avium complex, MAC, disease in adults and children aged more than 12 years. Contraindications. Azithromycin is contraindicated in patients with known hypersensitivity to azithromycin, erythromycin, any macrolide or ketolide antibiotics. In patients with a history of cholestatic jaundice, hepatic dysfunction associated with prior use of azithromycin. To use concurrently with ergot derivatives. Adverse reactions. Some very common side effects are diarrhea, abdominal pain, nausea, and flatulence. Some common adverse reactions are lymphocyte count decreased, eosinophil count increased, anorexia, dizziness, headache, paresthesia, dysgeusia, deafness, vomiting, dyspepsia, rash, pruritus, arthralgia, fatigue, and blood bicarbonate. Decreased. Instructions. Store below 30 degrees Celsius. Protect from heat, moisture, and sunlight. Keep all medicines out of the reach of children. To be sold on the prescription of a registered medical practitioner. Manufacturer and buy online. Azeloc is manufactured by Evolution Pharmaceuticals. It is not available online at the current moment. You can buy it from any pharmacy nearby you. It is available at the price around 460 rupees.